Every Sunday morning we gather round in the heart of Buol, where love is found. No cars, no noise, just fresh air and fun. We're making memories for everyone. Car-free day in Buol, it's a beautiful sight. People smiling, children playing, everything's alright. We're reducing pollution and promoting healthy lives. Car-free day in Buol, it's a day to thrive. From cycling to walking, we're taking it slow, enjoying the scenery and the beauty that grows.